Hello guys, I'm Liam, and today it's bonfire night, yay! And I went to see 2 bonfires today with fireworks everywhere and displays. And even I met some of my friends looking at the bonfire. And standing right near it, I had a really good time. Anyways, I'm going to show you clips of what we did today when meeting 2 bonfires and fireworks everywhere and displays and stuff. Here are the clips.
Yeah, police around just in case anyone gets hit in the bonfire.
No, it's going off over there.
I know it's hot.
Burning.
Got a good picture.
Yep. Burn. Woohoo!
Nanny's right. There's one right there. Let's go. What happens if it goes too big and it hits the car?
Woohoo! Burning. Best bonfire ever. Well, that was a blast, and it was good. Yeah. My sister didn't find it good. We had to go home early because Toby is scared of fireworks. He's a dog and he was really scared and could hear 3 times more than us humans. Yeah, us humans. We had a good time. Well, Olivia didn't like it. No. Well, I had the best time meeting my friends and everything was fine for me. And even throwed a thing in the bonfire. Yeah, like a McDonald's ice cream that I had yesterday. Yeah, an ice cream from McDonald's. Yeah, you know that thing, ice cream. That might be always broken, but I always liked it, yeah. I throwed in that in the bonfire. Yeah, nice. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss another video. Yeah. And probably comment what you think of this video, yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!